And this question it is given that a thin brass sheet at 10 degrees Celsius and thin steel sheet at 20 degrees Celsius have same surface area. The common temperature at which both would have same area. The coefficient of linear expansion of brass and steel are respectively. They are given 19 into 10 raised to minus 6 and 11 into 10 raised to minus 6. Assume that initial area was something like A naught. Now the area is changed to an area, let's say, that is equal to A, because from the given options we are coming to know that the temperature that we are going to find out is less than the given temperature. So we can write its area becomes equal to initial area into 1 plus beta into delta T. So we can write the same thing for brass as well as steel. So for first, if we are writing the same thing for brass, so we can write this as final area is equal to, or area at 10 degrees Celsius is equal to area at some temperature. We don't know what about that temperature, just assume that that temperature is nothing but T. So we can write this as 1 plus beta of brass rod into delta T. So delta T is change in temperature. So from the options we'll get an idea that that temperature is less than 10. So the difference in temperature is going to be T minus 10 minus T. If we are writing T minus 10, then we'll get a negative value. So we can write this is equal to nothing but A naught into 1 plus beta of this steel rod into delta T. So now the temperature of steel is at 20. So we can write the difference in temperature is going to be 20 minus T. Now while solving this, we can find out the answer. So we can write this is equal to A naught, or we can cancel this A naught on from the both side. So if you are cancelling this A naught and this A naught, then even we can cancel this one over here and this one over here. Now it becomes equal to B of brass rod divided by beta of steel rod is equal to nothing but 20 minus T divided by 10 minus T. Now we know that the coefficient of linear expansion is given. So we know that coefficient of linear expansion is coefficient of areal expansion or superficial expansion is 2 times of coefficient of linear expansion. So we can write 2 alpha of brass divided by 2 alpha of steel, or you can write this is equal to alpha of brass and alpha of steel, as we can cancel this 2. So we can write the equation in this form, that is 20 minus T divided by 10 minus T is equal to alpha of brass, which is given as nothing but 19 into 10 raised to minus 6 divided by 11 into 10 raised to minus 6. So again we can observe that this 10 raised to minus 6 and this 10 raised to minus 6 get cancelled. Now we can just cross multiply this one. So the equation is going to be 11 into 20 minus 11T is equal to nothing but 19 into 10 minus 19T. So we can just write the terms related to T together. So we can write it as 11 into 20 minus 19 into 10 is equal to nothing but minus 8T, which is minus 19 plus 11. So we can write this as nothing but 220 minus 190 is equal to minus 8T, or you can write this as equal to nothing but 30 is equal to, or 30 divided by minus 8 is equal to T. So we can find out the value of T over here. So I'll get the answer is around minus 3.75 degree Celsius.